Thank you for joining us. Today we will be discussing safety in decentralized finance. You may be asking yourself, is DeFi really a safe place? One of the many perks of DeFi is that it is an unregulated machine. But with that lack of regulation, there is little to no liability when it comes to malicious actors who aim to scam investors out of their money. The most common scams in DeFi are known as rug pulls and honeypots. The first line of defense for an investor is research and due diligence. By doing your own research and understanding the red flags, you will have the best chance at spotting a scam early. With the lack of regulation, DeFi is riddled with developers who have no intent on keeping their investors' funds safe. They make projects and abandon them with no warning, leaving investors wondering what's happened. By definition, rug pulls are built around community-driven hype. A seemingly legitimate project that is marketed on social media outlets, drawing unsuspecting investors into the community. By doing this, the developers are able to raise substantial amounts of liquidity from pre-sales. This instills even more confidence from the community as a whole. But these malicious actors are simply waiting for an opportune time to sell Team's tokens and pull that liquidity pool that they have previously raised. This action drives the token price down to zero in a matter of minutes. You may be asking yourself, how is it possible? Well, the beauty of DeFi is that they allow users to maintain their privacy and trade without disclosing all of their personal details. But with freedom comes inherent risk. Smart contracts are often not verified or audited. Liquidity pools are often unlocked and easily accessible by developers. Developers can hide massive amounts of coins in different wallets and sell them in bulk. These are all the risks that we as investors need to be aware of. Let us talk about honeypots. These are not as common as rug pulls. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory. Think of a pot of honey, which your money gets stuck in and cannot leave. This is a special type of scam that is hard-coded into the smart contract. The scammers insert a function that only allows their wallets to withdraw funds, while new investors watch the chart go up and they only see green candles, which then creates a fear of missing out, also known as FOMO. Leaving the investors' money locked in the contract and the scammers being the only people who can pull money from contract. Due diligence is just about knowing what to look for. Most BSC projects starts with a Telegram community. Telegram has become a catalyst for new DeFi projects. Here is a simple checklist for what to look for in a Telegram community. How active is the Telegram? Are the moderators interacting with the community? Are the moderators anonymous? Are they transparent with the strategic goals of the project? These are very important questions to ask yourself when joining a Telegram community. In your research, you will need to look into the project as a whole. Is it a meme coin or a utility token? It is very common for malicious developers to exploit the success of previous meme-themed projects. Whereas utility tokens are not often used in scams because it is easier for knowledgeable trader to poke holes in the facade of a fake utility token. Next, we need to look into the project's professionalism and transparency. Does the project have a website? When looking into the website, it is important to note how the website is built. Does it have all the information readily available? The roadmap, white paper, and so on. Once you have verified all of these things, you will need to look into their social media presence. Are they active on socials? Do they have any Twitter, Instagram, Facebook marketing? Legitimate projects put in time and effort, so these minor details cannot be overlooked. Let's move on to contracts. As we said before, DeFi is an unregulated machine, thus leaving holes in the ecosystem, enabling developers to launch contracts that they have hidden functions. Likely, there are companies like Certic Auditors and TechCrate, whose goal is to verify contracts prior to launch. They offer a certification which gives the investor a sense of security. Let us discuss launch conditions for new projects. There are many ways to launch a token in DeFi, but we recommend investing in projects that use pre-sale launchpads such as DexSale and Uniscript. DexSale and Uniscript have become the most popular because of their ability to lock liquidity, act as an intermediary between the developers and investors, holding the tokens which are available to claim after the sale has finished, provide a level of transparency in regards to tokenomics. Rule number 1. Some projects may ask you to send tokens to a specific address, or they may hold a private sale on their website, and this is not recommended as there is no safety precautions in place. Priority number 1 is always safety and security in crypto. And the final step to your due diligence should be in the tokenomics of a project. What is the max supply of the token? How much of that supply is allocated to the team? Is there a marketing wallet? Does the developer have any allocation? It is important to note that if the team holds an exorbitant amount of the maximum supply, there is a risk of them dumping their wallets and ultimately tanking the price. Next, we need to take a look at the taxation and where it is being allocated. How much is the tax for buying and selling the token? Where is said tax being allocated? Is there a percentage of the tax being injected into the liquidity pool? By injecting a percentage of the buy or sale tax into the liquidity pool, the project can ensure sustainability and growth with very little price volatility. Alright, so now that we have gone over safety in DeFi, let's take a look at our safety checklist. Telegram community, website, team, social media, utility, pre-launch strategy, audit, launch conditions, liquidity locks, wallets, tokenomics. That's all for today's lesson. So like this video and subscribe our channel. See you!